Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. Just painting some tree trunks here. I keep them about 1/3 from the top down and 1/3 from the bottom up. Just make some brown tree trunks. Doesn't have to be straight lines, just palm trees. Keep them loose, imagination. And then here I put on some blue, and then I'm adding some red background to it, getting it filled in, all put in, and paint, some paint in there. So then I was just doing some blue for the sky, keeping it lighter on the bottom. Of course it rises, and keep it lighter on the top, keeping it darker on the top. So okay, I have my painting done now. I was just getting in the groove and just adding colors and moving it around. I changed this up a couple times. I had it lighter on top and then dark on the bottom. Then I changed it around to dark so it looks like a horizon, on the. I actually added brown all the way to the along the line here, and then I went light, light, light. Mixed it in. Added a little bit of yellow, had it too yellow, and then I just went wider with it, just covered it with white, trying to get it this, trying to get it like lighter down here. Also, the trees up here, added a lot of different colors. I actually added some really black to make it, like, give it depth. Some brighter colors. And down here I wanted this to be like the sun is almost like coming through, and then the shadows of the trees, and it gets darker closer it gets to you. So I believe I got that thing done now. I'm gonna put her up for sale and see if anybody wants it. So thanks for watching my channel.